What are quick tips for GED math systems of equations? If you are preparing for the General Educational Development Mathematics test and want a master systems of equations, you are in the right spot. Let's break down some practical tips that can help you tackle these problems with confidence. First, it is essential to understand what a system of equations is. A system consists of two or more equations that share the same variables, typically labeled as x and y. The objective is to find the values of these variables that satisfy all equations at once. Next, familiarize yourself with the two main methods to solve systems of equations. The first is the substitution method. In this approach, you solve one equation for one variable and then substitute that expression into the other equation. This simplifies the system to a single equation with one variable. The second method is the elimination method. Here, you add or subtract the equations to eliminate one variable, making it easier to solve for the remaining variable. As you work through the equations, make sure to label them clearly. Call the first equation equation 1 and the second equation 2. This practice helps you keep track of your steps and reduces confusion. When using the elimination method, look for opportunities to cancel out variables. Align the equations so that adding or subtracting eliminates one variable. You may need to multiply one or both equations by a number to make the coefficients match. Once you find the value of one variable, substitute it back into either original equation to find the other variable. Always check your solution by plugging the values back into both original equations. This step ensures that your answers satisfy both equations. It is also beneficial to practice basic algebra skills. Being comfortable with simplifying expressions, combining like terms, and solving single variable equations is essential for working with systems of equations. Take your time to work step by step and write neatly. Keeping your work organized helps you follow your reasoning and spot any errors more easily. If allowed, consider using graphing as a visual aid. Plotting the equations on a coordinate plane can help you see where the lines intersect, which represents the solution. Remember that the solution will usually be written as an ordered pair, showing the values of both variables like x, y. For example, if you have the system 3 times x plus y equals 9 and 4 times x plus y equals 10, you can use elimination. Subtract the first equation from the second to eliminate y. This gives u equals 1. Then substitute x equals 1 into one of the original equations to find y. You will find that y equals 6. Thus, the solution is 1, 6. By following these tips, you can solve systems of equations efficiently on the General Educational Development Mathematics test. Practice with different problems to build your confidence and speed.